Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 17 perimeter and area in that exercise 17C. Next word problems in that 7th question. A rectangular field is 48 meter long and 40 meter broad. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 3 per square meter. So a rectangular field that is given 48 meter long. Its length is 48 meter and the width is 40 meter. Okay. Now what you need to find here, cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 3 per square meter. അതായത് ഈ ഫീൽഡ് ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ, ലെവലിംഗ് മീൻസ് പ്ലോയിങ്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ഫീൽഡ് ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ എത്രയാണ് കോസ്റ്റ് ആകുക? 1 സ്ക്വയർ മീറ്റർ ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ rupees 3 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടോട്ടൽ ഫീൽഡ് ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ എത്ര കോസ്റ്റ് ആണ് വരിക? ഓക്കെ, സോ വാട്ട് യു നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഹിയർ, ലെവലിംഗ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി ഡൺ ഇൻ ദിസ് ഏരിയ. ഏരിയയിലായിരിക്കും ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യുക, ഈ ഫീൽഡിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ. സോ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദി ഫീൽഡ് യു നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, so area of a rectangle, it is area of rectangular field you can find here. Formula, it is length into breadth. Area of rectangle, it is length into breadth. So area of rectangular field you can find by multiplying its length into breadth. Length it is given 48 and width or breadth it is given 40. So 48 into 40 you will get 1920 meter square. Okay, this is the area of that field. Okay, now it is given for leveling 1 meter square of field, it cost rupees 3. Okay, for leveling 1 meter square, it cost rupees 3. So what you need to find here, for leveling 1920 meter square, what will be the total cost? Okay, for 1 meter square it is rupees 3. So for 1920 meter square you can multiply these two, 3 into 1920. This much rupees it will be. Okay, so you will get rupees 5760. Okay, this will be the total cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 3 per square meter. 1 meter square ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ rupees 3 ആണ് എടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ടോട്ടൽ ഫീൽഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1920 മീറ്റർ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ് ഏരിയ എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. സോ ഇത്രയും ഏരിയ ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ എത്ര റുപ്പീസ് ആയിരിക്കും? യു ജസ്റ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ. 1 മീറ്റർ സ്ക്വയറിന് 3 റുപ്പീസ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 1920 മീറ്റർ സ്ക്വയറിന് 3 into 1920 യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് rupees 5760 rupees. Okay. Now 8th question, the area of a hall is 1620 meter square. The breadth of the hall is 36 meter. Find the length of the hall. Also find the perimeter of the hall. So here hall, its area it is given 1620 meter square. Okay, now its breadth it is given 36 meter. You have to find the length of the hall. So how can you find the length if area and breadth is given? Length equal to area by breadth. This formula you know, L equal to A by B. Okay, so area it is given 1620, so that you can substitute. Divided by breadth it is given 36. So 1620 divided by 36 you will get 45. Okay, so 45 meter. Length and breadth will have the same unit. So 36 meter is breadth, so 45 meter. This will be the length. Okay, now in that one more question is there. You have to find the perimeter of the hall. So perimeter of rectangle, it is rectangular hall. Okay, it has length, breadth. So perimeter of rectangle formula, it is 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length we find it 45 meters. So 2 into 45 plus breadth it is given 36 meter. So 2 into 45 plus 36. Okay, for L and B we substitute 45 and 36. Now 2 into what is 45 plus 36? You will get 81. Okay, 2 into 81 you will get 162 meter. This will be the perimeter of the hall. Okay. Now 9th and 10th question, it is not needed. Okay. Next 11th question. Find the areas of the following figures by dividing them into rectangles. Measurements are given in centimeters. Okay, so you have to find the area of the given figure by dividing into rectangles. Okay, so first one, A. Here this figure is given. This length, it is 1 centimeter. Okay, this length, it is 6 centimeter. This full length, it is 8 centimeter, and here it is 1 centimeter. It is given like this. Okay, now we can see here there are two rectangles here. This is the first rectangle. Okay, you can see this is the first rectangle. Okay, now second rectangle, it is this rectangle. Okay, this is the second rectangle. So area, total area of the figure equal to area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle. Okay, now you can find the area of first rectangle. How can you find the area of rectangle? The formula, it is length into breadth. Now you can see in this figure, length of the first rectangle, it is 6 centimeter, and the breadth of the first rectangle, it is 1 centimeter. So how can you find area? Length into breadth, that is 6 into 1, you will get 6 centimeter square. Okay, 6 centimeter square. Unit area it is, so unit will be centimeter square. Now area of second rectangle. Okay, that is also length into breadth formula. Here you can see area of second rectangle. Its length, it is not given. Length of this full side is given 8 centimeter. ഈ ഫുൾ സൈഡിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് ആണ് 8 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. അതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മളുടെ സെക്കൻഡ് റെക്ടാംഗിളിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് അല്ല. സെക്കൻഡ് റെക്ടാംഗിളിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് ഇത്രയും പോർഷനേ വരുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് മച്ച് പോർഷൻ ഓൺലി ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി സെക്കൻഡ് റെക്ടാംഗിൾ. സോ ഹൗ ക്യാൻ യു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി സെക്കൻഡ് റെക്ടാംഗിൾ? ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ സീ ഹിയർ ദിസ് ഇസ് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. ഫസ്റ്റ് റെക്ടാംഗിളിന്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആണ്. സോ ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. ഇതും 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. Width will be equal, length will be equal in rectangle. Okay, so this much portion 1 centimeter ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ what will be the remaining portion? This full length ഇവിടം മുതൽ ഇവിടം വരെ 8 സെന്റിമീറ്ററും up to this ഇത് വരെ 1 സെന്റിമീറ്ററും. So remaining length will be 8 minus 1 equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, this full portion it is 8 centimeter. This much portion it is 1 centimeter. ഓക്കെ, 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്നാണ് കിട്ടിയത്. റെക്ടാംഗിളിന്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത്, ഫസ്റ്റ് റെക്ടാംഗിളിന്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആണ്. സോ റിമൈനിങ് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 8 minus 1 equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so 7 centimeter is the length of the second rectangle. So 7 into width it is 1. It is given. Okay, so 7 into 1 it is 7 centimeter square. Now what will be the area of the figure? You have to add these two rectangles area. Okay, that is 6 plus 7 equal to 13 centimeter square will be the area of this total, the total area of this figure. Okay, B, the figure is this. Okay, so you can see here in that 3 rectangles are there. This is the first rectangle, that is this rectangle. This is the first rectangle. Now second rectangle you can take this rectangle, middle one, this one is the second rectangle, and third rectangle it is this. Okay, this rectangle. This is the third one. Okay, now how can you find the area of the figure? Area equal to area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle plus area of third rectangle. Okay, now area of first rectangle, how can you find? Area of rectangle formula, it is length into breadth. first rectangle, you can see length is given 4 centimeter and breadth is given 1 centimeter. So area will be 4 into 1 4 centimeter square. Okay, area of second rectangle. It is also length into breadth. Formula. Here length is given 3 centimeter and the width is given 1 centimeter. So what will be the area? It is 3 into 1. You will get 3 centimeter square. Next, area of third rectangle. Okay, third rectangle, formula it is L into B. You can see here length is given 4 centimeter. That is equal to the length of this first rectangle. Okay, if the length are same means width will be same only. Here these two rectangles are equal. ഈ രണ്ട് റെക്ടാങ്കിളും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ ലെങ്ത് സെയിം ആയിട്ടാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വിഡ്ത്തും എന്തായാലും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. സോ യു ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ദ വിഡ്ത്ത് ഓഫ് ദി തേർഡ് റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. ഫസ്റ്റ് റെക്ടാങ്കിളിന്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അത് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ എടുക്കാം. ഈ രണ്ട് റെക്ടാങ്കിൾസ് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് length into width. You will get a 4 into 1. You will get 4 centimeter square. Okay, now total area, how can you find? You can add these three areas, that is 4 plus 3 plus 4. You will get 11 centimeter square. So this is the area of the figure. Okay, now in that C, the diagram is given like this. You have to find the area. So here you can see two rectangles are there. This is first rectangle and this is second rectangle. Okay, so area, total area equal to area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle. Okay, now area of first rectangle, how can you find? The formula it is length into breadth. What is the length of the first rectangle? It is 6 centimeter. Breadth it is 2.5. So 6 into 2.5. What you will get? It is 25 into 6. It is 150. After decimal point 1 digit is coming. So here also after decimal point 1 digit should come. So you will get 15 centimeter square. Okay. Next, area of second rectangle. Second rectangle, you can see length it is 3 centimeter, width it is 1.5 centimeter. So L into B, this is the formula. So 3 into 1.5, you will get 4.5 centimeter square. Okay, now what will be the area of the figure? That means total area. You can add the two areas. So 15 plus 4.5, you will get 19.5 centimeter square. This is the total area of the figure. Okay. Next, exercise 17D. In that first question, how many square tiles of side 30 centimeter will be required for a floor 18 meter long and 15 meter wide? If the cost of a tile is rupees 2.50, find the cost for covering the floor with the tiles. So here square tiles, its side is given 30 centimeter. Okay. Now floor it is given, it is 18 meter long and 15 meter wide. Okay. How many square tile of 30 centimeter? How many of this tile will be required to cover this floor? Okay, square tiles side it is given 30 centimeter. Floors length and width it is given 18 meter and 15 meter. Okay, so there is one formula. Always use this formula to find the number of tiles. Number of tiles required to cover a floor, it will be equal to area of floor by area of one tile. That is one square tile. One tile. Okay. Area, number of tiles will be area of floor by area of one tile. Use this formula to find the number of tiles required to cover a floor. Okay. Now here area of tile, square tile you can find, side is given. area of a rectangular floor. This is rectangle shape floor. Okay, so that also you can find its length and width is given. Okay, but here you can notice one thing. One is in centimeter and floor's length and width, it is in meter. Okay, so you have to make the unit same first. So let us convert the centimeter to meter. Okay, 30 centimeter on converting to meter. What you will get? 30 centimeter is 30 by 100. Just divide by 100. Okay, so you will get the tile. Tile, its side is 30 centimeter. You can convert this to meter. That is 30 by 100 meter it will be. 30 by 100 meter. You will get a 0.3. Okay, 3 by 10 it is 0.3 meter. Division by 10, decimal point will move one place to the left. Okay, so this is 1. Here will be the point. You will get 0.3 meter. This is the side of square tile. Okay, if the side of square tile is 0.3 meter, you can find the area of tile. How can you find the area of tile, which is square shaped? Area of square you can use. Area of square, it is side into side. This is the area of square. So 0.3 into 0.3. Okay, side of tile it is 0.3 meter. So you can substitute 0.3 into 0.3. You will get 0.09 meter square. This is the area of tile. Next, let us take a floor. Length it is given 18 meter and breadth it is given 15 meter. You can find the area of a floor. How can you find? Length and breadth is given. So it is rectangle. Area of rectangle, it is length into breadth. Okay, that is 18 into 15. Get 270 meter square. Okay, so area of floor you got 270 meter square and area of tile it is 0.09 meter square. Now you can find number of tiles required. Number of tiles equal to area of floor by area of one tile. Okay, area of floor what we got, it is 270 by area of tile it is 0.09. Now this division you know, decimal is coming in the denominator. So what to do? Multiply by 100. Both numerator and denominator you can multiply by 100. After decimal point 2 digits are coming. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So what you will get? 270 into 100 it is 270,000. That is 27,000 divided by 0.09 into 100. Multiplication by 100 it is. So decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2 here. You will get 9. Okay, 0.09 into 100 it is 9. Now 27,000 divided by 9 you will get 3,000. So 3,000 tiles are required to cover that floor. Okay. Now in that one more question is given. If the cost of a tile is rupees 2.50, that is one tile, it cost rupees 2.50, then find the cost for covering the floor with the tiles. So what will be the total cost for covering the floor with that tiles? Okay, ഒരു ടൈലിന്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് rupees 2.50 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ഫുൾ ഫ്ലോർ നമ്മൾ എത്ര ടൈൽസ് വെച്ചാണോ കവർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതിന് എത്ര കോസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ആവാം. സോ number of tiles required, how many tiles are required to cover that floor? We find it 3,000 tiles. 3,000 tiles ആണ് ആ ഫ്ലോർ കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ ആവശ്യം. So for 3,000 tiles, what is the cost? You need to find here. Okay, so one tile it cost rupees 2.50. So for 3,000 tiles it will be rupees 2.50 into 3,000. Just multiply. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ടൈലിന്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് ₹2.50. സോ 3000 ടൈൽസിന്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? 2.50 into 3000. ഓക്കെ, സോ 25 into 3, it is 75. Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay. Now after decimal point, here 2 digits are coming. So here also 2 digits should come after decimal point. So the answer is ₹7,500. This is the total cost for covering the floor with that tiles. Okay. Second question, 660 tiles, each 15 cm long and 12 cm wide, are required to pave a corridor. Find the area of the corridor. Give your answer first in square centimeter and then in square meter. So, ഒരു കോറിഡോറിൽ ടൈൽസ് ഇടുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 660 ടൈൽസ് ആണ് ആവശ്യം. ഓക്കെ, ഈ കോറിഡോറിൽ ടൈൽസ് ഇടുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ the number of tiles required it is 660. Okay, now tiles dimension it is given. The length of tile it is 15 centimeter and width of tile it is 12 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the area of this corridor. Okay, so first you have to understand one thing. Area of floor, it will be equal to area of 660 tiles. ഇവിടെ ഈ ഫ്ലോറിൽ കോറിഡോറിൽ, ഐ മീൻ ഹിയർ കോറിഡോർ. ഓക്കെ, ഈ കോറിഡോറിൽ 660 ടൈൽസ് ആണ് ഇടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ആ 660 ടൈൽസിന്റെ ഏരിയ ആയിരിക്കും ഈ കോറിഡോറിന്റെ ഏരിയ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് വി നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഹിയർ, ഏരിയ ഓഫ് കോറിഡോർ. ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് 660 ടൈൽസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ 660 ടൈൽസ് ആണ് ഈ കോറിഡോറിൽ ഇടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ കോറിഡോറിന്റെ ഏരിയയും 660 ടൈൽസിന്റെ ഏരിയയും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, so instead of finding area of corridor, you just find area of 660 tiles. For that, the tiles length and width it is given. Okay, so we can find area of one tile. How can you find? Tile is in rectangular shape, that is length into breadth will be the area. Okay, length it is given 15 centimeter and the width it is given 12 centimeter. So 15 into 12. You will get 180 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of one tile. Area of one tile is 180 centimeter square. So what will be the area of 660 tiles? Just multiply 180 into 660. Okay, area of one tile is 180 centimeter square. So area of 660 tiles will be 180 into 660 centimeter square. You will get 1,18,800 centimeter square. Okay, this much is the area of 660 tiles. But we know area of corridor equal to area of 660 tiles. കോറിഡോറിന്റെ ഏരിയയും 660 ടൈൽസിന്റെ ഏരിയയും സെയിം ആണ്. സോ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് കോറിഡോർ? ഏരിയ ഓഫ് കോറിഡോർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1,18,800 centimeter square. This is what we need to find. Okay. Now this 1,18,800 centimeter square you have to write in square meter. Okay, it is given in the question. Give your answer first in square centimeter and then in square meter. Okay, so we have to convert this 1,18,800 to square meter. So how can you convert centimeter square to meter square? In order to convert centimeter square to meter square, just divide by 10,000. Okay, remember this, centimeter square. Converting centimeter square to meter square, just divide by 10,000. So 1,18,800 you divide by 10,000, you will get the answer in meter square or square meter. Okay, so division by 10,000, this decimal point will move 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. That you know. Okay, here is the decimal point. So decimal point will move 4 places to the left. This is division by 10,000. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get the decimal point here. So the answer is 11.88. These two zero not needed. Okay, zeros at the end. Right end has no value. So 11.88 meter square it will be, or square meter. Okay. So in order to convert centimeter square to meter square, just divide by 10,000. You will get the answer 11.88 meter square. Exercise 17C 11th question D, and exercise 17D 3rd question do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.